Now, I'm always interested in names, what's in a name, and the New York Historical Society has a curious hyphen between New and York, just the way the French say New York. So is there a reason for that? Have you thought of removing the hyphen, or do you like it there?
So the hyphen is there because in the 19th century, if you wanted to attach an adjective to a place name, an adjective like new to a place name like York, you used a hyphen in between the two. So place names that no longer have the hyphen, like Oyster Bay, for example, in the 19th century were hyphenated, as was the New York Times, by the way. All of them, to my knowledge, decided to do away with their hyphen. And the New York Historical Society thought about it. And then the city council in the early 20th century raised a huge ruckus and demanded that the New York Historical Society, which is a private institution, get rid of its hyphen. Well, that put an end to that discussion. So we remained with the hyphen, and it's been there ever since.
So it's there despite the New York City Council.